Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we will present about guidelines of Islamic life in Muhammadiyah. Now, let's keep for watching.
In guidelines of Islamic life in Muhammadiyah, divide into three parts. So I will tell you the first part. In the first part, there are preliminary, platform and source, concern, character, purpose, and framework. First is preliminary of guidelines of Islamic life in Muhammadiyah citizen. Guidelines of Islamic life in Muhammadiyah citizen is a set of Islamic values and norms that originate in the Quran and Sunnah to become patterns of behavior for Muhammadiyah people in living their daily life so that they are reflected in the Islamic personality toward the relation of the true Islamic community. This is the guideline for undergoing. First is life in personal sphere. Second is family. Third, socially organize, manage charity venture, do business, develop a profession, national and state, preserve the environment, develop science and technology, and then the last one is develop art and culture. Next is platform and source of Islam people in Muhammadiyah is from Al-Quran and then Sunnah of the Prophet. It is the development and enrichment of formal talk in Muhammadiyah, such as the belief in the ideals and ideals of life of Muhammadiyah, Muqaddimah, Muhammadiyah's article of association, Muhammadiyah personality, Muhammadiyah struggle kitah, and the result of the Tarjih Council. Guideline of Islamic life in Muhammadiyah is concerned about the importance of guidelines used as a reference for all members of Muhammadiyah. Second is a guide for citizen and leader of the Persyarikatan section to live life and wave of change. Third is change in the nature of thought that tend to be pragmatic, materialistic, and hedonistic that foster sensory culture in modern life of the 20th century accompanied by modern lifestyle entered a new era of the 21st century. Fourth is cultural penetration and multiculturalism brought about by globalization will be increasingly apparent in the life of the nation. Five is change in orientation to value and attitude in Muhammadiyah due to various factors that require clear value and norm from Muhammadiyah. The characteristic of guidelines of Islamic life in Muhammadiyah is contain the main point or principle and are important in the form of norm value reference. Second is increment in the sense of giving a lot of treasure to form nobles and spiritual glory and action. Third is current. Current is have an interest in the guidance and interest of everyday life. Fourth is provide direction for individual and collective action that are exemplary. Fifth is ideal. Ideal is can be a general guide to daily life that is basic and primary. Sixth is Rabbani. Rabbani is respect the teaching and message that have the character of morality that produce distrust. And the last one is Taisir. Taisir is a guide that is easily understood and practiced by every Muslim, especially Muhammadiyah resident. Next is the purpose of guidelines Islamic life in Muhammadiyah is to information of the behavior and collectivity of all Muhammadiyah members, which show a good example or uswah hasanah toward a relation of a true Islamic society. First section in second part is Islamic view of life. That are the religion of God revealed to the apostle. This is from Ashura 13. Next is religion for surrender solely to God. This is from An-Nisa 125. And next is religion of all the prophets. This is from Al-Baqarah 136. Next is religion is accordance with nature. Next is a religion that quiets all human. This is from Al-Baqarah 185. Six is religion govern human relation with God and human relationship with fellow human beings. This is from Ali Imran 112. 7 is religion is what makes grace to the universe. This is from Al-Anbiya 107. Next is the only religion blessed by God. This is from Al-Imran 19. And the last one is perfect religion. This is from Al-Ma'idah 3.
The religion of Islam every Muslim has. First, the basis or foundation of living Tawheed to Allah in the Surah Al-Ikhlas, and then function or role in life in the form of worship in the Surah Az-Zariyat, and third, undergo the caliphate in the Al-Baqarah, and then the last, the aim is to get ridho and the gift of God, Surah Al-Fatih. With the heartfelt and sincere practice of Islam, a Muslim human being is formed what has the main characteristic. First, Muslim personality, your personality, Muslim personality in the sense of having noble character, and then Muttaqin personality. Third sections. There are personal life, family life, life in society, life in organization, life in managing business charities, life in business, life in developing profession, life in the nation and state, life in preserving the environment, life in developing science and technology, life in developing art and culture. In Aqidah, the principle of life and imani awareness in the form of monotheism that is true, sincere and full of utterance, rahat believers, Muslims, plenary muttaqin. Stay away and reject shirks, superstition, heresy, and khufarat. In morals, demanded to emulate the behavior of the Prophet and practice morality, charity and activities are based on sincere intention in the form of righteous deeds and ihsan, and keep away from liya behavior, arrogant, israf, fasad, and munkar. Shows noble character so that is emulated and away from dishonesty. Keep away from corruption, collusion, and other bad practice. In worship, cleanse the soul or heart towards the formation of personal muttaqin diligently and keep away from bad desires, mahda worship as well as possible, and life of fertile nawafil charity. Decorate yourself with solid faith, broad knowledge, and sincere good deeds. In muamalah dunyawiyah, aware of himself as a servant and caliph God, actively addressing the life of the world and positive and not distance yourself from life struggle. Think burhani, bayani, and irfani. Reflect the way of thinking which is Islamic. Reflects the integration between hablum minallah and hablum minan nas. Have an Islamic work ethic. There are work hard, disciplines, don't waste the time, and try your best to reach the goal. Life in the family. Family status. The main pillar of the life of the people and the nation as a place for socializing values the most intensive and decisive are required to truly realize Sakinah family. Second, family function. Besides socializing Islamic values as well carry out the regeneration function so that children grow into generation Muslim, successor to the Da'wah movement. And then, exemplary demands in practice Islamic life, which is embedded kindness and associating with ma'ruf, mutual love, care, and respect. Third, family activity. Demanded attention and sincerity in educate children and create an atmosphere harmonious. Demanded by example to show respect and respect for children and keep away from practice violence. Have a social and constructive concern, ihsan, islah, and ma'ruf social relation with neighbors and with their social life. Prayer must be the top priority. Strict families need to give sanction that are by nature educated. Community life. First, establish brotherhood and kindness with neighbors and other community members by maintaining good rights and honor Muslim and non-Muslim up to Area 40 house. Second, show the example in attitude goods to the neighbors, maintaining glory and glorify the neighbors, be generous, drink and pay attention. Third, with neighbors of different religion taught to be fair and good. Entitled obtain the right of honor as a neighbors. Fourth, in social relation as individuals, families and worshiper Jam'iyah organization must show a social attitude based on principle uphold respect, tolerance, freedom of others. Fifth, carry out the movement of worshippers and propaganda pilgrims as a form of carrying out Islamic propaganda in the middle of society. Organizational life. First, United States of Muhammadiyah mandate the people to uphold Islam until the true Islamic society is realized. Second, each cadre and Muhammadiyah leadership carry out union motion and step with full commitment and istiqomah. Third, in resolving problems and conflicts should prioritize deliberation and revert to organizational rules. Fourth, exiting al-Islam and al-Jihad in the whole union movement and the atmosphere in environmental environment. Fifth, every member of the leadership of the union should show an example in speaking words, acting up behavior, charity, struggle, disciplines, and responsibility.
6. Discipline in time is develop meetings and activities. 7. A brief study should be developed hidden prayer times and worshippers. 8. Should be found of following and conduct Islamic studies, prosper mosque and activate worship. 9. Must match and exit mandate behavior in leading and managing organization with all its affairs. 10. Don't pursue position in company. 11. Keep away from slander, attitude, arrogant, ananiah, and other despicable behavior. 12. Cultivate the tradition of building imamat and the association of worshippers to Muhammadiyah developing. 13. Every member of the leadership Muhammadiyah has a reformer spirit and ready to spearhead progress. 14. Responsible for carrying out the mission and keep away from being proud if carved out success. 15. Keep away from taklid, shirk, bid'ah, superstition, and khurafat. 16. The leadership of the union must show Muslim personal moral and able to foster Islamic family. Next is life in managing charity venture. The first, to lead the intent and purpose union upholding Islam. Second, make a business charity as a mandate must be fulfilled and accounted for. Third, the leadership of the business charity must submit to union policy. 4. Commitment for doing the charity business function, making a charity charitable, and 4. Solely for earn a living. 5. The leadership of the business charity must be maintain the mandate with the implementation of management function as well as possible and honestly. 6. Developing charity venture with thought. 7. Earn a living with size fairness accompanied by a mandate and attitude responsible. 8. Must report management of the business charity at union leader. 9. Must be able to create an atmosphere of Islam in charity venture. 10. Developing a charitable endeavor as a form devotion to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. 11. Be a guide to show exemplary serving others to respect rights fellow, have social care. 12. Increase friendship and relationship social. 13. Increase taqarrub in Allah. The next is life in business. The first, business activities of goods and services must be halal goods and services in the view of the Sharia on a voluntary basis. Second, in carrying out business activities, both leaders and employees have duties, obligations, and responsibilities as set forth and agreed upon voluntarily and fairly. Third, the voluntary principle must be based on honesty. For obligatory zakat and guidance sedekah, infak, wakaf, and jariyah, in accordance with the provision contained in the teaching of Islam. 5. Assets obtained and owned by way of business are the most laudable asset. 6. Assets obtained through loan can be rent out, let alone trade, and when they are due, they must be returned. 7. Business activities that benefit society, the better the business is in the view of religion. The last is, those who receive assets are certain, to a certain extent, must fulfill the obligation to pay zakat according to the Sharia. Life in professional development. The first is carrying out in the field not only aims to make a living. Second, every member of Muhammadiyah in choosing and carrying out the profession should always uphold the value of halal and goodness, trustworthiness, usefulness, and benefit that lead to the safety of the life, to the world, and the hereafter. Third, every member of Muhammadiyah in running their profession should stay away from corruption, collusion, nepotism, lies, and other vanity matters. Fourth, every member of Muhammadiyah should be clever to give thanks to Allah when he receives blessing and is a patient, and trust in God when he has disaster. 5. Live in the profession with all my heart and honesty as a form of performing worship. 6. In carrying out the profession, it should develop principles of cooperation in goodness and devotion, and not cooperate in sin and hostility. 7. Shall pay alms and practice sedekah, infak, wakaf, malfinger money other than the result obtained. National and state life. First, Muhammadiyah resident must not be apathic and apolitical life. Second, principle in politics must be upheld honestly and truly. Third, politics for the sake of the people of nation as a form of worship to God and islah and ihsan to others. Fourth, the Muhammadiyah politicians are obliged to show an honest, right, and fair example of themselves. 5. Doing politics with solid positive attitude and have aspiration for the realization of an Islamic society that is truly with the function of Amar Ma'ruf Nahi Munkar. 6. Gathering friendship and ukhuwah between politicians. Next is life in preserving the environment. First, life environment must be cultivated or prospered, maintained, and must not be damaged. Second, every Muslim, especially Muhammadiyah members, is obliged to conserve natural resources and their ecosystem so the ecological processes are maintained. Third, every Muslim, especially Muhammadiyah residents, are prohibited from damaging the natural environment. For promoting and practicing a clean, healthy, and beautiful environment accompanied by physical and psychical cleanliness. 5. Perform acts of Amar Ma'ruf Nahi Munkar in the face of tyranny, greed, and engineering, as well as things that can damage the environment. 6. Carrying out a collaboration and practice action with various parties and individuals. And then, life in developing science and technology. The first, every Muhammadiyah member is obliged to master and have an advantage in the ability of science and technology. Second, every Muhammadiyah member must possess the qualities of a scientist. Third, the ability to master science and theology is an inseparable part of the faith of Danamal Saleh, which shows the degrees of the Muslim and the personal formation of Ulil Albab. For every Muhammadiyah member with knowledge process has an obligation to teach the community as a form of worship, jihad, and proselytizing. 5. Support the movement to seek science and technology as an important means to build Islamic civilization. The last is life in art and culture. 1. Islam is a natural religion. Second, sense of art as an embodiment of a sense of beauty in human beings is a nature bestowed by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Third, based on the decision of the 22nd Tarjih National Conference 1995, the legal work of art was changed as long as it did not lead to the facade. The development of artistic and cultural life must be in line with Islamic ethics and norms. 4. Fine art whose object is animate creature, such as a legal statue, is alternate if it is for the purpose of teaching science and history. 5. Sound art is basically immutable unless it leads to violation of religion's norms. This is the last of our presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.